Hey, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the hiccups. Right now, I have a bad case of the hiccups. I cannot go to sleep. It's after almost 2:30 in the morning right now. So what I'm going to do here is take a cup of water. It's a large cup of water. It's about 2/3 full. Do a standard paper towel. I'm going to fold it twice. Put over the top of the cup here. Now what I'm going to do is basically tilt this cup of water up and basically suck the water through the paper towel, including the air that comes through in the air bubbles. That should be sufficient, even though I didn't quite finish the whole glass of water, but bear with me here. Just make sure the hiccups are gone. I've been using this method for years now, and nothing else seems to work. I don't have to hold my breath. This works. The hiccups are gone. Hope it works for you.